Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Chapathi special beans gravy curry. We can also serve it along with rice, but it gives best taste when served along with chapati. Let's move to the video. In a grinder jar, take 1 onion, 5 garlics, 1 inch size ginger, 1/4 cup of water. Grind it into a paste form. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Then add the grinder paste to it. Saute it for 2 minutes on medium flame. Then keep it low flame and add the masalas. Add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon Garam Masala Powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it for a minute. Now add 1 cup of chopped beans to it. Mix it well. Saute it for 2 minutes. Then add 1 cup of water and mix it. Close the lid and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. After 10 minutes, we can open the lid. Add 2 tablespoons curd to it. Also add 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well. Boil for 3 minutes on low flame. After 3 minutes, switch off the flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Our Chapathi special beans gravy curry is ready. If you need, you can add coriander leaves or curry leaves for different taste.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.